Boring product pages are costing you clicks. Hey, I'm Justin with AI Jawns, your pulse on everything AI. Stick around till the end to see Jogg AI flip them into scroll-stopping video ads in under 5 minutes. Today, we're pressure testing Jogg AI, the tool turning static listings into dynamic video gold. Static images don't cut it on TikTok, Reels, or Shorts. You need motion, voice, music, and human-looking avatars. The problem: traditional editing chews up hours and pricey software. That's the pain Jogg AI kills. Here's how it works. First, drop a product link. Jogg AI instantly grabs your images, price, features, and customer quotes. No copy and paste gymnastics. Second, pick an avatar. Anything from a bubbly Gen Z host to a polished professional. Jogg AI recently added senior and more diverse avatars after user feedback, so your spokesperson can truly match your brand. Third, choose a style template. Snappy TikTok jump cuts, cinematic YouTube wides, or even square videos for Instagram. Jogg AI auto-writes a script, syncs the voice, and generates the video faster than you can brew a coffee. In about 5 minutes, you've got a ready-to-post ad, captions burned in, transitions tight, sized for every feed. Zero Premiere headaches, zero After Effects meltdowns. Pricing is simple: $79 a month, 30 credits, 1-minute videos, perfect for weekend sellers. $199 a month, 100 credits, up to 5-minute videos for growing brands. $449 a month, unlimited credits, 15-minute videos, and batch mode that churns out dozens of ads while you sleep. Daily YouTube shorts, client agencies, this tier is your playground. What we loved: lightning speed, 5-hour edits crushed down to 5 minutes. Voices so natural they fool the algorithms made for humans detector. Inclusive avatars that actually look like real people. A pro edit panel for control freaks. Tweak timing, swap shots, adjust color, all in browser. What needs polish? Etsy scraping is glitchy. Expect a quick copy-paste workaround until devs patch it. Built-in music library is thin. Grab royalty-free tracks from Epidemic or Artlist and layer them in. A top reviewer scored Jogg AI 4.2 out of 5, slicing production time by 95%. Remember, AI is your assistant, not your replacement. You bring the strategy, storytelling, and brand soul. Jogg AI supplies the muscle. So, is Jogg AI worth it? If you're pumping out product videos, absolutely. If you post once a year, stick with iMovie. But creators chasing consistency, agencies balancing dozens of clients, and e-commerce hustlers hungry for content, this tool can supercharge your output and slash your costs overnight. Ready to see Jogg AI in action and grab our exclusive cheat sheet? Tap the link or head to aijawns.com right now. We've got step-by-step tutorials, bonus templates, and a community swapping hacks daily. Before you bounce, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss an AI breakthrough. Go birds! See you at aijawns.com. Thanks for watching.